Every lead has a story. How they found you, what they asked, what your team replied, when they became interested in your product, how did they lose interest, or when they actually purchased your product or service. But in most businesses, you never get to see that linear story. You only see fragments of it. A WhatsApp message here, a phone call there, follow-ups on Excel sheet. The actual journey, the exact sequence of events is scattered to say the least, because there's no single place from where you can track the entire lead journey. Hello folks, I'm Zed, and in this video I'm going to show you how telecrm solves this problem by consolidating all lead interactions in one place, so you finally know what actually happened with the lead from the moment it was generated until today. Here's how it works. telecrm captures sequential actions taken on a lead. So the moment a lead is captured in telecrm, you can see what the source of the lead is, who the lead was assigned to, when the first call happened. You can listen to the call recording, see the call note for details, and if you don't want to go through the trouble of listening to the call recording, you can use telecrm's AI agent to summarize the call for you. You can see if the sales rep updated the lead status after the first call. You can even see if they scheduled a follow-up call and if they took the follow-up call on time. And not just call metrics, you can see if an automatic welcome message was sent to the lead on WhatsApp. telecrm even captures the response of the lead on that chatbot. So all WhatsApp API convos with the lead are tracked. You can also track WhatsApp messages sent by your sales reps from their personal WhatsApp. And even the responses of the leads are captured in a structured timeline. All drip marketing messages that were sent to your clients are also recorded in the history section. Now, these are just interactions that happen with a particular lead. But as you very well know, there are a lot of behind the scene actions that happen with the lead. telecrm tracks all of those as well. For example, you can see if the lead was reassigned to a different representative, when and who has updated the status of the lead. You can even track website visits to your pages and personalize your conversations. You can assess if the lead was a part of an automation that was triggered. You can see if a payment link has been shared with the lead. You can even see if the payment was successful or if it did not go through. You can see when this lead was transferred from your sales team to your support team. All of this happens on one dashboard. telecrm gives you the exact chronological order of everything that happens with a single lead. And it's not just useful for managers. The sales reps dealing with the lead will have complete clarity before every call and message. The support team members will know specific use cases that the lead has and won't have to do a back and forth with the sales reps. And the marketing team will have complete clarity over how effective their lead gen efforts are and which campaign is giving the best kind of leads. With telecrm, the possibilities of improving and tracking your sales, marketing, and support processes are literally endless. If this blows your mind, as it rightly should, we have an entire playlist of features that we provide. You can explore this from the link given above. Or if you'd like to try telecrm out, all you have to do is go to the links in the description, book a free demo, and experience telecrm firsthand. Until next time, bye-bye.